जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 23rd श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, Atmanubhavam, self-experience. When you fix this as your goal, the immediate thing that you need to start doing is you have to control your anger, you have to control your desires. You have to start putting all your efforts to bring down the intensity of your desires and anger. If you do that, then you will be qualified for Atmanubhavam. And then when you depart from this body, you will enjoy Atmanandam. You will experience Atma. Like this, Krishna Paramatma saying that if we fix the goal Atmanubhavam, immediately we have to start controlling our desires and anger. We have to bring down the intensity of desires. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, let us now repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Seknoti haiva yassodhum prak serira विमोक्षणात् कामक्रोधोद्भवम् वेगं सयुक्तः ससुखी नरः। ओम। As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me. Become my devotee. Keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Sharanam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ద్వితీయ స్కంధం Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sriman Narayana satisfied with Chaturmukha Brahma's tapassu, and then Sriman Narayana showing his divine abode to Chaturmukha Brahma, Sandarsayamasa param nayat param. Sriman Narayana's divine abode is such a highest abode. There is no such abode which is equivalent to that abode. Such beautiful, auspicious abode Sriman Narayana showing to Chaturmukha Brahma. O Parikshin Narendra, there won't be any kind of troubles in that world, and all those who are living there will always feel that Paramatma is their everything, and there won't be any kind of Rajassu, Tamassu. Pure Sattva Gunam will be there. O Parikshin Narendra, the kalam, time, won't show its effect on that world. Everyone in that world will be always in service of Paramatma. And also everybody will be looking like Paramatma. Syama Vadataha, they all will have same color. Satapatra Lochanaha, everybody has beautiful lotus like eyes. Pisanga Vastraha, everybody wears beautiful garments. Suruchaha, everyone in that world has wonderful divine light. Supesasaha, everyone in that world is always young and also very delicate. Sarve Chaturbahavaha, everyone has 4 shoulders just like Paramatma. O Parikshin Narendra, in that world everyone wears beautiful ornaments which are embedded with gems and pearls. Pravala Vaidhurya Mrunala Varchasaha Parispurat Kundala Mauli Malinaha. All the people in that world will have beautiful kiritam, crowns, and beautiful garlands, beautiful earrings. Everyone is decorated very, very greatly, grandly. That kind of beautiful world, divine abode, now Sriman Narayana showing to Chaturmukha Brahma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Madana Parihara Sthitim Madiye Manasi Mukunda Padaravinda Dhamni Haranayana Krusanuna Krusosi Smarasi Nachakra Parakramam Murarehe. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter 23rd श्लोका. शक्नोति हैव यः सोढुं प्राक् शरीर विमोक्षणात् कामक्रोधोद्भवम् वेगं सयुक्तः स सुखी नरः. शक्नोति हैव यः सोढुं प्राक् शरीरविमोक्षणात् कामक्रोधोद्भवं वेगं सयुक्तः स सुखी नरः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.